yes, it's a Reptile Expo in Del Mar Fairgrounds, which is close to San Diego. So let's see what's in it. Last year's expos were cancelled all. We were trying to get into one, but they all got cancelled. So this year we'll try to see all the reptiles.
No, like 12 times bigger. It's like about, it could be like as long as this entire terrarium.
Oh, these are really cute.
This is like as big as her baby.
Nile monitors. Nile monitors.
Nile.
Oh, look, it's really beautiful.
It might be able to be like this big, like as big as the entire terrarium.
Look, it's tongue. They're so cool, fast. Guys, they're hunting. I actually saw.
Small the monitors are.
Oh, I actually saw one. See, he's eating it. He just caught it.
Oh, it's eating like a cricket.
Yeah. See, they have
there are crickets everywhere.
Yeah, they have crickets.
They're hunting crickets. Look, this one back here is eating a cricket.
Oh, it just.
So these are also monitors, right?
This one going.
They have blue
Okay, and
tongue.
this is the skink of some point, or
Yes.
what? No?
It doesn't seem to stink.
It says right
It looks like a
here.
snake.
It's blue.
It's rather big for his mouth.
That one's
So,
supposed to try.
yeah, so he's kind of trying to. Is he trying to kill it?
Wait,
It's trying to do something.
Yeah.
he's not breathing.
It's okay, Maya.
It's huge. It's huge. Look. Look at that blue. Look at that. Before he was climbing, look, he was climbing up here like that.
Yeah. Python.
Hello. How are you guys doing today? Dragon.
These are the classics.
I never saw the horned one.
$200.
Yeah, their dragons are expensive. Look at the babies.
For 100.
And these. And who are these, Christopher? Are these bearded dragons?
Yeah.
Yeah. And up there, our baby bearded dragon.
Oh, how cute the babies are.
Look at him. He's hyper. He's hyper.
They have this like expression on their faces, right? Look how active they are.
They're rear fenders.
He's a skin that's bigger than their body.
Plated lizards.
No wonder. And this one is
Snake. You want it? Lizard.
lizard.
Look at the head.
Let's go to.
Can you see the head?
Yeah.
These are iguanas.
Iguanas are interesting.
They have really big
But I
paws.
heard they can be rather aggressive.
Look at their nails. Look how big their hands are.
Yeah.
Look at how
What's
big their
that?
middle finger is.
Oh my god, look at that. Look at all these snakes. Oh, I know what this is.
You want to
I know what this is.
This one?
She's the smart one. We have a I know Triple L had some. Triple L had some. I think
These are like different. These are like different morphs.
Oh, that one's under the towel.
So they're all leopard geckos?
These are like sky.
Oh
Yeah,
no,
they're
this one looks unhealthy.
No, it's just a baby. All babies look like that.
Okay, well, there's crusted geckos. Reaper snake-eyed
Were you
gecko.
picking up like interesting colors from them?
Raptor snake-eyed.
Look at this one. This one is really.
Our TV stand is
Hello. Hello. I know you're blind, but hello.
I do live and frozen. I do have it in. So like, you know, when they, if someone wants it, I'm like, oh, that's awesome. Because I can do frozen anytime and do it live.
Look at this spray.
So I just switch it out all the stuff. But I
Just being like this without any dirt.
Yeah, they just.
It's a little spiky.
Yeah, they don't need any dirt. They just hang on the trees. Okay, now we'll go to the inside pavilions. And
We're going in the building.
yeah,
I'm so
inside.
excited.
Let's see. material to film since it shines. How about the monkey tail? Okay. It does have a very long tail.
Oh my god, look!
It's so cool.
Big boy.
Big boy! Look at his tail! Look at his...
But it is selectively bred. Like the piebald, the snakes are really popular. These guys are a high white, so they're a little more valuable.